Alright guys, so we just got back from Heber. We actually picked up a bumper that we're gonna put on. It's one that we built them a few years ago, but I don't think we'll be mounting that today. We're gonna bolt the inside stuff in and get it all where it needs to go. Maybe put a steering column in, and then maybe weld the engine in as well. I've only got a few hours, because that drive always takes up a lot of time, so we're gonna get to it. Let you know how it goes. I'll put you on a time, I'll try to put you on a time lapse. I don't know if you'll be able to see much, but we're gonna get all this sorted. All right, guys, so we got the battery is mounted, the fuel pump, transcooler, gas tank, seat, pedals. Ran out of time today. We got to build 2 3-inch spacers for the back of this, so it will initially set it level. Then we'll just bolt that in tomorrow. We'll bolt the halo, and then finish the engine and tranny, and we'll put the bumper on and bumper brackets tomorrow, and maybe get everything hooked up besides the drive line, because I still got to swap the rear ends, but I want to get all this finished up, and pretty much that the rear end is all that we would have left. So I'll show you guys this bumper. So it's the same, me and my dad built it, and Jake built it a couple of years ago for him. Same thing as ours. It's been on a few cars. So we're gonna get this unloaded real quick, and then we will slap it on this car tomorrow. So we've got some good shit ahead of us. We gotta still do the A-arm spacers, level out the A-arm a little bit, just give that ball joint just a little bit better angle. A little bit goes a long way. So let you guys know how tomorrow goes. Catch you later.